Hey guys, I have got my UniWigs wig in the mail and I wanted to do a review and a first impressions video for you. So I'm just going to start off with like an unboxing. If anybody hasn't received a UniWigs wig before and wants to see how it comes and how it is all set up in the box when you get it, I'm just going to unbox it for you quick before I try it on. So let's open her up. So she comes like this and wrapped up in a hairnet. And so it'll come in this black netting. This is the UniWigs Perfection Remy Human Hair. It is 18 inches in length and it is, I'm actually just checking if it's a wefted cap or a fully hand-tied. Fully hand-tied means each individual hair has been knotted and hand-tied into the unit, which allows for more freedom and parting anywhere, whereas a wefted cap, it's kind of sewn onto the back, and so it just gives less control with parting and hair flow. But this looks like a fully hand-tied. It's got clips that I'll remove because I don't have any hair to clip it to, and clips on the bottom. It's got a nice comfortable nape area and earpieces. She's a dark brown with some warm caramel highlights. It's actually similar to this one I'm wearing. And there is a bit of a darker root. There are some, if I could focus, there are some visible knots on this one that you can easily hide with some concealer, or you can go ahead and just take it a step further and bleach the knots. It's a little more work, but we'll see how this one works out. I'll just show you first what else comes in the box before I put her on. So in the box you'll have some extra clips and a hair strap to go at the back, and that's if you want to sew that and install it. It is a glueless cap, so that's just extra that you can sew on. A UniWigs bag, like a little velvety bag to store her when you're not wearing her. A wig cap. She's got a wave to her. It's actually a nice, this is kind of like how I usually wear my hair, with a little bit of a beachy wave, so she's nice and long. So this is going to be my first impression. It's right from the box, so it's got a little bit of warping to it from transporting. That's going to need to air out and breathe. I haven't cut the lace yet, so I'm just going to throw it on for you and just show you how it looks. So I look for the ear tabs, make sure they're lined up properly here. It actually feels really, really soft. I do like the wave to it, and I like the way it's not so full on top. So this is straight out of the box. It can be worn like this for sure. I always feel like you need to do that little bit of extra adjustment when you get a wig, but I would normally do. So this is all pretty much one length, and although I'm okay with that in the back, in the front I feel like there should be some more face framing layers going down, so that would help just shape your face a little bit more, because it's a bit one length long for me in the front. Spin around and show you the length, how she is. So it's a pretty long one. It's looking really cute. Let's get a little close up on the knots there. So I'll just pull it forward so you could see even more. So they're a little bit visible. So what I would do is, and you can see my cap underneath. So what I would do is get some powder and kind of create a better parting line. I'm not sure the origin of this hair. I'm guessing, I mean, it's a human Remy, and I'm guessing it's an Indian Remy. So I don't typically wear Indian Remy. I used to when I first started buying wigs, because I find that after you wash it, and it tends to get a little bit frizzy. So I'll do another review after I've worn this for a bit, kind of customized it a little bit for me, and just give you an update of how that's coming along. I'm gonna decide whether I'm going to tape it down with actual wig tape and keep it really secure, or what I use sometimes is the got to be spray or the gel. So either or, one might work a little bit better than the other. Is you blot a little bit on your hairline and wait for it to dry, or dry it a little bit with a hair dryer, and it can secure it that way. And yeah, so far I really like her. She is really cute, but again, for me, I'm going to need to customize this front. It is just too, this is what gives that wig look away for me, is when it's not properly face framed. I do like the long length, but again, just maybe one small little cut there. Change the part up if you want. I like this beachy wave look. And it has a nice, I really like the way it freely goes anyway. So you can change the part this way or flip it over and give her some more body going that way. I have to hold on to the lace here, or else it's gonna slip right off. You can also use a wig grip instead of a wig cap. That would hold it a lot better. Obviously, taping down the lace would hold it a lot better. But yes, there she is. This is the UniWigs Perfection wig, 18 inches. That's it. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think. Bye.